Hello everyone, I am Shivam Pasari and welcome to Asian Academy. So as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we'll solve a question on the topic of function, and this question has been taken from the test of mathematics book at 10+2 level. Now the question is as follows: let f of t is equal to t plus 1 by t minus 1, then f of 2010 equals. Now we are provided with four options: A 2011 divided by 2009, B 2010, C 2010 divided by 2009, and D none of the above. So this was our question, and I would like you to try this question first by yourself and then come to this video for the solution. I hope that you've tried the question and you've got the solution, and if you didn't, then let's check the solution. So according to a given question, we are given that f of t is equal to t plus 1 whole divided by t minus 1, and we have to find the value of f of 2010. So first we have to find the value of f of t in order to find this value. Now to find the value of a composite function, we have to replace all the value of t with f of t. So we have to put f of t in place of t. So if I'll put f of t in place of t, I will get t plus 1 whole divided by t minus 1 plus 1 whole divided by t plus 1 divided by t minus 1 minus 1. So upon solving, we will get t plus 1 plus t minus 1 whole divided by t minus 1 into t minus 1 whole divided by t plus 1 minus t plus 1. So we'll get this value. Now t minus 1 and t minus 1 will get cancelled, and t plus 1 plus t minus 1 is equal to 2t, and t plus 1 minus t plus 1 is equal to 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled from numerator and denominator, and we will simply get t as a value. So the value of f of t is equal to t. So if we'll put 2010, we'll simply get back 2010. So our final answer is 2010, and according to a given option, it is option number B. So our final answer is option number B, 2010. So you can see that in order to find a composite function, we have to just replace the variable with the given function, and we'll get the composite function. Now if we have to find the composite function of a composite function, then we'll simply replace the value with the variable as many times. That was all for this video, and I hope that you understood all the topics covered in this video. And if you have any doubt, then you can post your doubts down in the comment section, or you can send your doubts to us to our channel's official Instagram or Facebook page, and we will surely solve your doubt as soon as possible. Or you can go to the official website of Asian Academy and you can send your doubts to us from there, and all the links are provided down in the description. And if you did like the video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel Asian Academy.